Hey guys, what is up? It's Drastic Raven Gaming, and this is not a gaming video actually. This is an unboxing video for a PS4 that my friend gave me. Wait. Yeah, my friend gave it to me. I bought it off of line for him, so he didn't really give it to me, he sold it to me. Anyway, I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys today. So hopefully that'll be cool. Sorry if you see my shadow. I'm doing this on the floor because my desk is too messy. Excuse me. And my lamp's on. So let's get into it. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me zoom in. What? About that. Oh, I almost fell. Okay, and first, oh my god, he didn't even package it too well. Well, here we are, a broken controller, or it's not broken, he said trigger on it, wait, sorry. He said the trigger on it was broken. The right trigger on it was broken. Sorry if you can't see. Right trigger on it was broken. And they have no cushion right there. Okay. This one just like ripped. Yeah, the trigger right here like so when you're playing a game of Fortnite, it randomly fires off and scares me to death. Okay, so first we got the controller. It's like kind of broken. Next we got the power cord, which wasn't packed. Oh, sorry. Which wasn't packaged too good neither. And there you go. Long power cord. And next up we got our HDMI cable. Here's it. Let's unpack that. This isn't old. Okay, there you go. And manual. We are not going to unbox that. It's just a manual. And, oh. Well, he gave me these, but they seem to be used. Real bummer. Wow. PlayStation Network. It's bent, of course. Nathan Drake collection. Apparently he got Uncharted 4, A Thief's End before it was released. Like it was a few days before release. And he got it early with the PS4. And here's the main thing. Oh my god, it's so dusty. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, wait. It's too dark. Oh, there we go. All the dust. Okay, sorry to get this thing to balance on me. Okay, sorry if that was really loud. Slide my stand over. And, oh. Okay, it's coming out package. There it is, the LSU PS4. Got that. Hopefully I don't get copyright for this stuff. Sorry that you can't see this. I was just looking at it. Okay. And if you're wondering why I've been using the stream, that was my other PS4. That was my friend's PS4. He let me borrow it a few streams. Okay. My desk isn't. In fact, oh god. I knew what size the PS4 would be, so I brought it. I made a little spot for it on my desk. Fits nicely with the unplugged Xbox. We don't need that HDMI cable, already got one. So, Sorry if you can't see. Got that. Oh, that's all plugged up. You hear like a little sound in the background. That's my air conditioner, my diffuser. And if there's stuff on there, that is all my stuff. Because this is the PS4 that I use to live stream. He let me borrow it. He got a PlayStation Pro, or a new PlayStation, the exact same as this one. Well, it's like a different kind. Oh God. Okay. And just a reminder, filming this on an iPad, so none of this, if I don't have a flashlight on the back. Okay, got to turn on my TV. And hopefully, yay, it turned on. Go grab my controller. And oops, sorry about that loud noise. That's my chair. Had to turn it to the side. Why is it saying no signal? There we go. PlayStation's running right there. Ooh, sorry, people, if I'm blowing your ears, coughing. No, I can't play it tonight because it's, by the time it's gonna be done, or by the time I'm making this video, it's like past 12:15, a little past 12:15 in the morning. Okay, while it's turning on. I know it said, there we go. It said no video, see. PlayStation. And here we go, controller. Controller's now on. Sadly, it's not like the PlayStation Pro and the PlayStation Slim where it has the little place you can see the controller color. But, oh. I know it can't connect. Okay, and here we are. I'm going to be ending this video right here. Hopefully you subscribe and leave a comment down below. This is Drastic Raven Gaming signing off. Peace.